Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Punjab National Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on Punjab National Bank with a price target of Rs 105. PNB's return ratio have been still depressed versus peers due to higher provision and higher operational cost, but is likely to improve from here on. Provisions are largely related to back book, net NPAs at 1.5% and restructure book at 1.1%. The bank has been guiding for net NPL less than 1% and rundown of most of the restructure book by the end of FY24. Moreover, lower retirement-related provisions are likely to improve the cost ratios also. Thus, return ratios are set to improve sharply, ROA closer to 1% in FY25. The bank has been guiding that quality of loans sanctioned disbursed in post-COVID times is far superior with very low delinquencies. Thus, lower slippages trend is likely to sustain and narrow the perceived gap in underwriting with respect to peers. At the current market price, the stock currently trades at 0.8 times its FY25 and 0.7 times its FY26 adjusted book value estimates. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 12 months. Next on radar is LIC Housing Finance. Our analyst maintains buy rating on LIC Housing Finance with a price target of Rs 555. LIC Housing Finance is expected to deliver improved AUM growth in second half of FY24 as tech transformation related disturbance resolved and monthly disbursement run rate has started picking up. Management has maintained its full fiscal AUM growth guidance of 12 to 13%. NIM trajectory upgraded to 3%. NIM sustained about 3% in first half of FY24 versus historical trend of 2.3 to 2.5%. We expect LIC Housing's profitability to grow at a 22% CAGR over FY23 to FY26, which would drive 40 bps expansion in ROA to 1.5% by FY26. At current market price, the stock is trading at inexpensive valuation of price to book value at 0.7 times its FY25 and 0.6 times its FY26 estimates. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on sharekhan.com before investing. Investment in security markets are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. To keep up with the latest from Sharekhan, make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can also download the Sharekhan app for all your trading and investing needs. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.